Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Porsche 718 Cayman 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Porsche 718 Cayman 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Overview: a top-tier sport coupe that delivers unmatched performance and driving pleasure. With its mid-engine layout, the Cayman offers superior balance and agility compared to the rear-mounted engine of the iconic 911. While the base four-cylinder models provide impressive performance, their engine sound may disappoint some enthusiasts. For a truly inspiring experience, we recommend opting for the six-cylinder engine variants. In terms of updates for 2023, the Cayman sees minimal changes. The top GT4 models now come equipped with Apple CarPlay, enhancing connectivity and convenience. Pros. Here are the pros of Porsche 718 Cayman 2023. Outstanding handling and precise steering feel. Stirring performance from the available six-cylinder engine. Wide range of customization options for personalized styling and performance enhancements. Luxurious and well-crafted interior materials. Strong build quality and reliability. Cutting-edge technology features and connectivity options. Exemplifies the essence of a sports coupe with a perfect balance of precision, power, and luxury. We will tell you the cons at the end of this video. Exterior. Body type: compact coupe. Engine type: 4.0 liters flat 6 gas. Engine power: 414 horsepower at 7,600 revolutions per minute. Torque: 309 pounds-to-foot at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Number of cylinders: flat 6. Fuel type: gasoline. Transmission type: manual or 7-speed dual-clutch automatic (PDK). Drive type: rear-wheel drive. Gearbox: 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic (PDK). Available in following colors. It will be available in black, Guards red, racing yellow, white, agate gray metallic, Carmine red, Carrera white metallic, custom color metallic, custom color sample, dark blue metallic, GT silver metallic, jet black metallic, rhodium silver metallic, sapphire blue metallic. Performance: top speed, estimated 182 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Mileage in city, 19. Mileage on highway, 26. Fuel tank capacity, 16.9 gallons. Interior. The Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 offers a well-equipped and convenient interior. Cozy and driver-centric interior design, high-quality materials and craftsmanship, well-shaped and adequately cushioned optional sport seats, optional ventilated seats for added comfort on hot days, excellent forward and side visibility with few blind spots, tachometer and speedometer in full view for easy monitoring, limited storage compartments and shallow bins for personal items, optional rear-view camera for safe backing up, infotainment system with a learning curve due to numerous buttons, no option for Android Auto smartphone integration. Cons. Here are some potential cons to consider for the Porsche 718 Cayman 2023. Excessive outside noise can diminish the overall appeal. Lackluster engine note, particularly in the four-cylinder models. Base 2.0-liter engine may feel underwhelming during full acceleration. Jarring shifts of the dual-clutch automatic transmission at low speeds. Road noise can be intrusive on coarse asphalt. Expected price. Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 price in United States of America is $69,900. Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 price in Germany is DEU 59,940. Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 price in Norway is NOR 1,079,900. Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 price in Australia is $141,700. Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 price in Moldova is MDL 1,450,000. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Porsche 718 Cayman 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.